everyone, welcome to our speaking test today. Now let's begin. What's your name?
My name is Tony.
Okay, Sonny, what is your favorite fruit?
My favorite food is ice cream.
So, your shoes are made in Italy, aren't they?
Yes, they are.
So now let's find the differences in the pictures.
In the picture A, there is a museum, but in the picture B, there is a hospital. In the picture A, there is the boy is going inside, but in the picture B, the boy is going outside. In the picture A, the umbrella is closed, but in the picture B, the umbrella is open. In the picture A, there is a guitar, but in the picture B, there is a trumpet. In the picture A, two girls is standing and talking, but in the picture B, two girls is all sitting and talking.
So now let's talk about your favorite food and how to make it.
Hello everyone, my name is Tony. Today I will talk about my favorite food. My favorite food is ice cream. First, mix the milk and the sugar in the bowl. Next, chop fruit and put in the bowl. After that, whisk everything and put some chocolate chips in the bowl, in the mixer. Finally, put the mixture in the tray and put it in the fridge. Thank you for your listening.
Okay, good job. So that is the end of our speaking test. And bye-bye.